How to turn on or turn off iCloud photos, share albums on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, tap on your name at the top here or the Apple ID account. Next, we go down and then tap on iCloud. Then tap on Photos. Now we scroll down and then tap on Share Albums. So tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off Share Albums. When you turn it off, there will be a pop-up. Tap on the OK button to proceed. In here say create albums to share with other people and subscribe to other people's share albums. And that's it. After, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.